I could succeed and become something more than what I am today.
Not every kid's gonna go to college, so.
The very best way to learn something is to teach it. I think that in order for apprentices to be able to learn, they have to have some level of confidence that they are going to be successful. Teaching apprentices is a very rewarding experience, and there's many young people out there in the world that for one reason or another would not do well at a conventional 9-to-5 office job. And so I think it's important that if you've found a way to be successful in life, that you share that with the next generation.